OnlyPrompts AI is one of the most exciting AI software releases I've seen lately. And if you're looking to boost your content creation process, improve productivity, or simply explore the future of digital tools, this review is packed with everything you need to know. Stay with me because I'm going to break down 7 crucial things about OnlyPrompts AI that will help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. First off, OnlyPrompts AI is a groundbreaking software that specializes in generating high-quality prompts for creative work, which makes it a game changer for content creators, marketers, and even casual users who want to save time on brainstorming ideas. Whether you're crafting social media posts, writing blogs, or even designing ad campaigns, this software promises to streamline your creative process. And the best part? You can actually try it for free by clicking the first link in the description below, so stick around to see if it's worth your time. What makes OnlyPrompts AI stand out is its simplicity and speed. It doesn't overwhelm you with complex settings or unnecessary features. You input your idea, and the software generates a variety of prompts based on your needs. It's incredibly intuitive, which means you don't need to be an expert to use it effectively. Just type in a topic or a keyword, and within seconds, you'll have dozens of creative prompts ready to spark your next project. Another key feature is its versatility. Whether you're working in digital marketing, content creation, or even personal projects, the software adapts to your needs. It's useful for generating blog topics, Instagram captions, Twitter threads, YouTube video ideas, and much more. Plus, its AI algorithms continuously learn from user input, so the more you use it, the better it gets at suggesting ideas tailored to your style. When you dive deeper into OnlyPrompts AI, you'll notice that it also saves you time. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, you can generate high-quality ideas in just a few clicks. This is especially valuable for marketers and business owners who are constantly under pressure to create fresh content regularly. It helps you maintain a steady stream of content without burning out. Now, let's talk about one of its standout features: customization. Unlike other AI tools that only give you generic results, OnlyPrompts AI allows you to tailor your prompts to specific audiences, industries, or even platforms. This level of customization ensures that the content generated is not just relevant, but perfectly aligned with your business goals and target market. But is it truly as good as it sounds? Well, there are a few things to consider. While OnlyPrompts AI is a powerful tool, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Depending on your specific needs, you might still have to tweak the prompts a bit to make them perfect. However, the time saved on initial brainstorming and idea generation is well worth the minor adjustments you'll need to make. Now, there's no doubt that AI in general can be intimidating for some, but OnlyPrompts AI makes it easy for beginners to get started with its simple interface and clear instructions. You don't need a technical background to leverage this software's full potential, and that's a big advantage for people who are new to the AI space. Finally, the pricing is fair, and as mentioned earlier, you can try it out for free with no obligation. If you're someone who regularly needs new ideas or struggles with writer's block, this software could be a lifesaver. With AI technology improving at such a rapid pace, it's exciting to see tools like this push creative boundaries. In conclusion, OnlyPrompts AI is definitely worth checking out, especially if you want to improve the efficiency of your content creation process. It's easy to use, customizable, and a huge time saver. I highly recommend you give it a try for free, as linked below. After testing thousands of AI tools myself, OnlyPrompts AI stands out as one of the most useful and user-friendly options I've encountered. Check out my recommended AI tools in the description, and if you're looking for the best AI software out there, I've got you covered with free trials so you can try them for yourself.